So I brought you another phone, and that is the Samsung A02s. Now this is one of the Samsung's budget line phone, which is for about $100, and it's pretty cheap. And if I tell you that this phone is pretty okay in terms of buying such phones, now don't expect this to be competing with the mid-range. This is just enough for daily use. Let's talk first with the screen. Now the screen size is 6.5 inches, IPS panel, 720 into 1600 pixels, so it's definitely not full HD, so you can see some pixels if you look closely into it. Now on top you will see the notch, water drop notch of 5MP camera, and it just does the job. You can just say not that good. Now looking at the back side of the phone, you will have also a triple camera setup. The main cam, which is the most important here, is 13MP, autofocus, and f2.2. Now the second cam is the macro lens 2MP, while the third also is a 2MP of depth. I don't see a purpose having these two. Maybe a wide angle lens was good if there was just two camera sensors, but nonetheless, even the camera, the image quality isn't that good. In the daytime it's fine, but in the nighttime it's just horrible. Looking at the side, there will be also a volume button plus a power button. On the other side there's nothing except the SIM card tray, and at the bottom you will have the Type-C charging port, 15 watts, and yes, it does support OTG on the go, so this thing can support Type-C USBs. Now that it also has the headphone jack 3.5, so it's a good thing. Those who love to use the headphones, wide ones, yes, you can use them in this phone. Now inside the phone, it has a 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty huge, and the processor is a Snapdragon 480. It's pretty low level, so less power consumption. So, and in terms of the screen also, the less pixel, so the battery life is much more in this phone, so you can use with the medium to heavy usage throughout the day, and you will still have some juice left by the end of the day. So it's pretty amazing, it's good. And this is having the config 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage, so you have also an option to insert the micro SD card, so you can expand the storage. But this is the highest specs you get it, and at the lowest specs you have a 2GB of RAM with I think 6GB of internal storage. And one last thing is the color availability of this phone. Now this one which I'm having right now is the blue color, and if you see, it reflects with this different, it looks pretty awesome. You'll have the second color is the red for ladies, and third white, black is the fourth. So this is it for Samsung Galaxy A02s. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you have any questions regarding this phone, I would be happy to answer them. Comment below, and catch you guys in the next one.